In this video, we'll be discussing offsetting faces. If you'd like to follow on with this video, please open the file offsettingfaces.dwg located in the Working Files folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. When you offset faces on a solid model, you either add material to or remove it from the solid model while being parallel to the selected faces. This is an especially useful tool when you want to increase or decrease the diameter of a cylindrical face. Now, if we look at the example we have here and select our object and navigate to the Properties palette, you'll notice we have no history defined. So to make any kind of edits using grips would be a little bit difficult. For instance, if we hold the Control key down and select this solid face, you'll notice we get a circular grip that does allow us to move the face inside the cylinder around, but that's not very useful if you want to resize the actual inside of that cylinder. All the solid editing tools for faces are located in the Home tab, Solid Editing panel, and then we have the Edit Faces drop-down right here. The command that is used to run the Offset Faces tool, you'll notice it says right there, is called the Solid Edit tool. In fact, this command is used for all of these options within the Solid Edit tool. This tool, when you select it, simply accesses that command line option. Let's go ahead and click on Offset Faces. Again, when you don't know what to do, look to the command line window. Solid Edit, select Faces, and so what we want to do is we want to offset this face by a specific value. Even though it's highlighting the whole solid, you can still click inside there and typically it'll grab the face that you need it to. However, if it does not, a little trick that you can do is hold the Shift key down and select it to remove it. You also can use the Remove option to remove it as well. Let's go ahead and select that face again. When you're done with your selection set, press Enter or Spacebar. The command line is telling you to specify the offset distance. Let's go ahead and type in -2, press Enter, and there is our edit to our solid face. Now, look what AutoCAD is doing. It is now navigating to the previous option in the Solid Edit command. So notice how we could keep going here if we wanted to. Let's say we wanted to offset this face up. We'll go ahead and select Offset, pick the face. Notice how it selected the wrong one. Hold the Shift key down and unselect it, and then try selecting it again. Press Enter, type in 2, Enter, and notice how it automatically offsets that face in the positive Z direction. To get out of the command, simply press Escape, and there is our completed solid.